In the given electrical circuit, we need to find the equivalent resistance between the point A and B. So identify the circuit carefully. We can see these three resistances of 4 ohm, 6 ohm and 12 ohm are in parallel. So equivalent resistance between these three, that is 4 ohm, 6 ohm and 12 ohm, 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12, by using the formula of finding the equivalent resistance for a parallel connected resistors, right? So equivalent resistance between these three, as we have highlighted here, between these three resistances can be calculated as 2 ohm, right? Because 12 by 6 equal to 2 ohm. Now the above electrical circuit have, you can see 5 ohm and 2 ohm is another pair of resistors which are in parallel, right? Which I can show here, right? So the equivalent resistance between these two resistances of 5 ohm and 2 ohm is equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 20, right? Taking the LCM, we get R equivalent is equal to 5 into 20 by 5 plus 20, because 1 by R equivalent is there, that is R equivalent is in the denominator, right? So equivalent resistance between 5 ohm and 2 ohm, 5 ohm and 20 ohm is 4 ohm, right? Now the above electrical circuit can be modified as or simplified as, which can be shown as below, right? A, then 1 ohm, then 3 ohm, then the equivalent resistance of 4, 6 and 12, which is 2 ohm, right? Which you can see over here. So just mark it 2 ohm, right? In parallel to this, the resistance which is already in the circuit of 2 ohm, yeah, and equivalent resistance of 5 ohm and 20 ohm that we have calculated in the above 4 ohm, right? This will be coming in parallel to the above 3 of 1, 2 and 1, 3 and 3, 1, 3 and 2 ohm, right? We know the equivalent resistance of resistances which are connected in series. Just add up the values, right? 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6 ohm. 6 ohm will be the equivalent resistance of the upper branch in the given circuit, and 6 ohm is the resistance, equivalent resistance of the lower branch in the given circuit, right? So the equation can be the electrical circuit can be simplified as 6 ohm in the upper branch and 6 ohm in the lower branch between A and B. So final equivalent resistance between A and B, since these two 6 ohm of resistances are in parallel, right? So equivalent resistance can be calculated by 6 into 6 by 6 plus 6, right? That is 36 by 12, which is 3 ohm. So equivalent resistance between the given points A and B is 3 ohm. So we can just mention over here that when we mark a single resistance between A and B, that will be of value 3 ohm. Now we are able to solve this question. For any queries, just write up in the comment box, and happy learning. Bye bye.